dear saints, for helping us invoke God's blessings upon our day. To formally begin, I now invite Koshika from grade 2B to extend a warm welcome to all. It is my pleasure to welcome our respected principal, beloved teachers, and dear students to today's special assembly. Thank you. Let us now move on the thought of the day. I invite Trista to share today's thought. Thought of the day is learn something new every day, because learning is the key to bright future. Thank you for that thoughtful and inspiring message. Now comes the most exciting part of today's assembly. We all use mobile phone, but to be how too much can affect us, let us welcome the students of grade 2B as they present a short act on the harmful effect of mobile users. Reading takes a backseat when the phone takes over. A growing habit that affects our health. Too much screen time leads to eye pain. Our eyes need protection, not shade. Let's protect their eyes before it's too late. Stop giving mobile phones to young children. Let's protect their little eyes and encourage healthy habits. As we come to the end of this assembly, I would like to invite Tegan and DXI to propose the vote of thanks. A big thank you to all the students' performance participation. We are deeply grateful to our principal and teacher for giving us wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Now let us rise and pay tribute to our beloved country. I request everyone to stand in attention for the national anthem. To use technology and in moderation, wishing everyone a joyful, positive and productive day ahead. Thank you and have a great day.
ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾದ ನಾನು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ವಿವಾಹ ನಿಷೇಧ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ 2006 ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ವಿವಾಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾರ್ಹ ಅಪರಾಧವಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ